Yeah, so Notion had an issue with wikis this morning from when I noticed it. So today is the 4th of February, and I did spot this issue around 4 in the morning. So I was doing a bit of work, and within a few seconds of moving around, I noticed that the wikis were turning into a smaller page width, whereas normally you have the option to set it to full page width. And as you can see here, it's all squeezed in because this page was designed with the full page width, and there's no option up here. I believe there normally is with wikis. Now, I did get in touch with Notion support, and I also posted on Reddit. So far, 2 people wrote. This was the latest comment. It was only a minute ago, and the person said they have it working now. And I also noticed that as well for myself, because this is an old page that I had open from hours ago. I just haven't refreshed. So if I do a command or, you can see everything's back. But as the person mentioned, the option is still not here to select or deselect full page width. So yeah, that's one part of it. And as far as support goes, I did get in touch with them. Yeah, so this is basically the email. Now, as you can see from my initial contact with Notion, this is what I submitted through the support channel on the Notion app. And I got a response around 9 in the morning. You can see this was 4:27. And I was still up at the time. Yeah, crazy hours, but yeah, I was doing a lot, so which is why I kind of noticed this. But anyway, you can see the message here was just all of this. And, I tried all this. I tried different browsers, different devices, a different account. All of them were the exact same. And then I said to the person, this issue is on all devices, all browsers, all workspaces. Basically what I said in my initial post here. And then they responded again with the exact same message, really. And it was just kind of driving me nuts, especially because I pay for Notion and I would expect, better service. It actually sounded to me like it was a chatbot. So I just simply said, your second reply looks the same as your initial response. And then eventually I went, what? I guess F this. And then I went over to another account and submitted another ticket. And then the response in this one was much better, because they actually mentioned that we are aware of an issue at the moment and our engineering team is investigating. So this was at 4:10 p.m. today. But yeah, if you're still experiencing this issue, definitely head over to the Reddit post and also join in on the conversation, because honestly, wikis are something that I use every day. All of my dashboards are built with wikis, and for me this was actually a business critical issue, and hence why I was still there all morning trying to fix this, because I was doing a lot of admin stuff for business. So it just really threw me off because I wasn't able to navigate around my wiki and just kind of have a look at everything and have things working the way it normally would. So yeah, definitely join in this conversation. Just wanted to post this video, didn't want it to be too long, but I think Notion shouldn't have let this happen, and I'd really love to know why, because I wouldn't be expecting an issue like this unless I actually updated the version. But I do notice it came shortly after a few hours of updating my version, so maybe it is to do with that. But anyway, like I said, join the conversation and let's see if we get a better response from Notion.